Get into the 2019 Jeep Compass. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.